Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can fix 100% usage or like desk usage on Windows 10 PC or laptop. You can as well do on both. So you have to do is press a Windows button and R to open it up, and then you have to do is type over here services.msc. Once you type over here, you have to do is click on OK, and then you will comes in this services page. So you have to do is search over here system mains. So you have to do is go to the S section, and once you come in S section, as you can see over here, you will find over here system mains. So you have to do is click on that, and then you have to do is stop these services. And once you stop these services, you can always by clicking right click on it and then click on stop over here, and then that's it. And the next step is to do to get less storage of your system to perform good, and you have to do is disable this by clicking on right, and then you will see over here properties. Once you click on properties, this page will pop up. So you have to do is startup type over here. You have to do is simply click on this to customize this, and you have to do is simply disable this and then click on apply, and it's gonna be disable this system mains. And now your desk usage is less, so you can do more steps. As you can see over here, go to the settings of your PC, and then you have to do is go to updates over here, updates and security. Once you comes in this section, you have to do is update all the things that they want to update on your PC, and then restart your PC. As you can see over here, these are the apps or like the performances management, or like these apps that wanna Windows update. So you can simply download it or install it in your PC and then restart your PC, and then you have to do is come back over here in settings, and then you have to do is click on securities, and this you have to go to Windows security. Once you click on this, you have to do is click on this virus and threats. So once you click on this, you will comes in this page, and you have to do is turn on this, and then you have to do is run antivirus scanner or like that. So you can simply go to your antivirus app or like that. So you can simply run the scanner, and your PC will be scan all the malwares and then delete them, and your PC will get less storage and like that. So your storage is now free to use, and you can check it in your Windows or like your file folders there, and you can check it out over here. So that's it. That's how you can fix it up. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like more videos, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.